A DJ yesterday called me because they heard I was a veteran and asked me this question. I'm going to get a DJ company going. I've never DJ'd in my life. What's the first piece of equipment you suggest I should buy? Okay, a loaded question, but I'll do my best. You might not like it. I'm Bill. Welcome to Creative License, sponsored by Perfect Portals, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, The Entertainment Experience, Electro Voice, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. Okay, first piece of equipment you should buy to get into DJing. All right, you have a list of those things in front of you. List out all the things you have to have. Do you have it now? Put them all on a piece of paper? All right, great. Now close your eyes and turn the paper around and then find the paper again. Keep your eyes closed. Take your finger and put it down. And the first thing you point at, buy. That's it. You need to get started. I've talked about this on other shows, but as long as you figure out that you need to buy the right thing first, and this is the exact thing, and that's the next thing, and you're never going to get started. Okay? When I wanted to DJ, when I was 12, I didn't have any equipment. And I said the same thing to my dad. So what should I buy first? He goes, what do you need? I said, well, I'm going to need records. And he goes, stop. Records. Go buy records. So I had a big record collection. Huge. Bigger than most DJs that you would have ever met back then. And I still didn't have my first turntable. I didn't. I was using those records and I was doing it at bars that had their own equipment. Or I would borrow somebody's. Because guess what? Once I had the music, I had to get started. So I did. And I want some fun equipment. Oh, and the next piece of equipment I got, a microphone. Because I'm loud and I like to talk. And I knew I was going to need one. So I bought a microphone. I bought one speaker. And then a few months later, I bought another speaker. I had two mismatched speakers. But I had speakers. Did I have an amplifier? Did I say, did I have? Did I had or did I have? Did I have them? Sorry. No, I didn't have an amplifier. I didn't have an amplifier. Or the cables that attached the amplifier to the speakers. Or a cable that attached the microphone to oh, wait, I need a mixer. Okay, so did I buy a mixer? Yeah, which one did I buy? First one I saw and the first store I went into, Radio Shack. I know, if you're not old enough, you don't know what I'm talking about. But there used to be a store called Radio Shack that had a bunch of electronic equipment. And they had a DJ mixer that many of us back in the day owned. Made by Realistic. It was a beast. It could be thrown down a flight of stairs. But it was just a crap mixer. And four potentiometers. And you plugged in your record players. And you plugged in your microphone. And it had a fader. I think the one I had a fader between the two. Something I didn't really use that much of anyway. So there I had a mixer. But you see what I'm saying? The question of where should I start just gets you not starting. The question of what's the best way can be answered a million different ways. A lot of guys that are going to watch this, of the 17 people that watch my videos every day, every one of them will have a different answer to what should you buy first. Because they knew what they bought first. Doesn't matter what you buy first. It's that you buy. It's that you get that gear and you get started. Are you willing to do that? Because what'll happen is once you have your first piece of gear, you'll need your next. And you'll know what you need because of what you don't have. And you'll be moving towards the thing you want instead of hoping and wishing that one day you're going to have it. See what I'm saying? All right, what do you think of this? Put your comments below. Like, subscribe, smash that button, whatever you got to do. I need to have more people watch, don't you think? I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.